In this lecture, I would like to talk about the installation of Android Studio, IntelliJ Editor, and also the Java JDK, Java 10. Because the Java 11 is coming, and at this moment, I just installed the Java 10, and in the future, I may need to have one more update. First, I would like to install the IntelliJ IDEA Integrated Development Environment. Now, I would like to install IntelliJ IDEA. You click download. And I just want to try the community version. Click download. And it says, send me helpful tips and tricks. I don't need that. Tell me new product. I don't need that. I agree. Click yes. And then it will say subscribe that I actually don't need that. So I just download it. And I don't actually subscribe it. So this one is not needed. It takes a while, so we will be back. So after it is downloaded, same thing, we show it in folder, and then double click it for installation. Click next. So the directory will be program file, JetBrains, community, whatever version. I don't need a name for that long, so I will just delete it up to the IntelliJ IDEA and click next. And then click next. And it will ask me for launcher. I will say 64-bit. Create association Java, Groovy, and KT for Kotlin. For me, because I have BlueJ already, so none of it. And it said download install IRE by JetBrains. I will use the one in Java 10, so here I will just bypass it and say install. Okay, the installation is completed. So here I will click Run IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click yes. And then this one, the shortcut is too long. Actually, I will just cut down to IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, continue. And you say import a setting? No. And here you will say read. So you actually need to scroll it down and then accept. And it bring up with the Dracula and the IntelliJ format. I would use Dracula and click default plugin. And here I would have build tool, version control test, Swing. I need a Swing UI designer. I need an Android, and that's that. I need all of these. So version control, I need it, build tools. It would have Ant, Maven, Gradle. I say next feature. Scala, I like Stella, so actually I would like to have Scala. The editor, I don't like it. So here, IDE feature trainer. So here I'll install Scala. And after that, I can start using IntelliJ IDEA. So the interface is pretty much similar to Python. And some of you have the Python experience. I create a new project. And right here, I have, let me click the Java again. Java module again, and don't add anything. Click next. Command line app. Okay, select command line app. Yes. Let me put test again. And then base package, no. Don't put company. Just finish. Okay, and close. And bring up my project view. So in my project view, I have a test project, I have a source file, directly I have a main. So right here inside my main, let me put my system.out.println. Okay, and right here I type hello world. Okay. No, I don't need that backslash n. And now actually under here, I have a test project. So let me run. And then with main, and it's building the project and running. So it come out with hello. Okay, so that actually is my test project. Let me close it. So right here, I have the projects. So let me look at the project view. So here I new another project. Right here is a Java project. Click next. And create project from template. Select this one, command line app. Click next. And here I say project test 2. Say new window. So I have the test 2 project source file over here. I have a main. So here, let me put here as let me put this class as prime number. Okay, I have a main prog function. So, and here I have a function called public static boolean is prime. Okay, integer n or int I equals 2, I less than equals n divided by 2, I plus plus. So here I will have a start to traverse through it, and then I'll say if n take modular by I equals 0, then return false, and otherwise return true. Is a default false condition, default true condition. So here I'll test a number whether it's prime or not prime, and then I will say for int I equals 2, I less than 100, and I increased. And here I will print out the numbers. So here I would have something called integer count. Okay, equals 0. Here I say if is prime of I, and if it is a prime number, here I would say count increased. Okay, and then I would say if count modular by 20 equals 19. Okay, I'll do something. So here, before that, I will say system.out.print. I'll say I plus the space. Okay, if it's 19, I say system.out.print9. So here, every 20 prime number, I will print out 1 in one line. So the count is over here. So that now let's run it. There's an error. Prime is public. Prime is public. Should be named as prime.java. Let me actually right here actually new a pretty much a new file, and let's call it prime.java. Okay, and then I pretty much under here, I just copy the whole thing over to prime. And then into my prime, I passed. Okay, and here the main function right now, I can actually just remove it, delete it, delete it. Okay, so I have this prime over here. And now let's just do run. So run prime. Okay, so it actually has 20 something. So here, let me change to 300. Okay, in order to make it more uniform, so here let me do printf. And should come with a space. So let me do 40 then. Okay, then the outlook is uniform. Okay, that's the first two programs we developed. And IntelliJ Studio you can download from this website. And basically it is a flexible Gradle-based build system, a fast feature-rich emulator, a unified environment where you can develop all Android devices. So you can run the Java and also the IntelliJ Studio libraries on the same platform, and you can also have instant run to push changes to your running app without building a new APK. And also, there are code templates and GitHub integration to help you to build common app features and import sample code. And extensive testing tools and framework. And you have link tools for performance, usability, version compatibility, and other problems. And also CW Plus NDK support, built-in support for Google Cloud Platform. So let's go install IntelliJ. But before we install IntelliJ, we need to install the Java JDK first. To install Java JDK, first you need to come to this website. It's called Oracle website. And right here, I have this Windows 10 JDK need to be installed. So here, let me just accept the license agreement and then download this Windows version. And it takes a while. So for me, actually, I'll just put on some of the software backup site. So here I will create a new directory. And say backup. And it takes a while, and we will be back later. Now the Java JDK is downloaded. Let's show in folder, and then click it. And the version I download is a 64-bit version, and you click yes. The version that I download is 64-bit Windows 10 version. And because later I'm going to install Java 11, so this version I will make it more compatible with the Java 11 as well. So here it pop up, and then you click next. And then you will say development kit source code public JRE. So here I have the program file Java JDK 10.0.12, 10.0.2. So basically, I would like to change. Instead of having that name, I will actually call just Java under JDK, because later I don't need to worry about the version problem. So for any Java 11, I just keep it as JDK. Then actually I can move my current version away and then install the newer version in the same directory, and it will be fine. And here is a custom setup. When you install the Java JDK, it will ask for your installation for Java JRE, Java real-time environment. So same thing, it has a version number I would like to change. And then I'll browse through the directory, and let me choose program files. And it is Java. And I have the Java JDK. So under Java, now I have to make a new directory called JRE to keep track of my version JRE. That will be my Java runtime environment, and enable Java content in the browser. Yes. So the Java JDK is installed. So the next step, if you want to access tutorial, API documentation, developer guide, I would click next. I will click close. After that, I'll inspect my installation. I go to my computer and go to program file, click Java. So now I have the Java 8 and Java 10. And then I click JRE, Java Runtime Environment, click bin. I have this dynamic linking library, and I click my JDK. Over there, I have my bin. So here I have JDK binary code, and here I have Java. Here I have Java C, different programs. So this is the directory I want. So I click this one to get my directory, and then go to my setup. Let me see, I click system, and then right here I should type advanced. So I'll get advanced system. So here, view advanced system setting, and right here click environment. So here I have the Java home, Java JRE, and I also have the path. First, let me click path and click edit. So here I have quite many software installed. And let me check. Here I have Java 8, Java 8/bin. And I would actually, right here, I would like just to edit this one. And I'll just put my directory over here. So I'll change it to Java 10, Java JDK. Because I changed that, so to make it more consistent, so my Java home, same thing, I'll add it. And this one I'll change it to Java JDK. And here this Java JRE home, I'll also change to JRE 8 directory instead of JRE 8. And then I click OK, and close the window. So now I would go to some of my design directory, and then go to, say, I have a Java course and sync Java. Here I have Puche, and then let me go to some homework file. And let me see here, I have week 1 solution. So let me just click this one. And with Windows R, click Commands. And then I CD to this directory. And copy and paste. So right here, I have our class. I have our.java. So let me do Java C and then our work.java. This will be running the Java 10. And then I say Java artwork. Look like it's running okay. Come out with some data. So that's that. The next thing I would do is actually install the IntelliJ. So here I have the IntelliJ Studio, and I will click download. And here has several term conditions. Click I read it and OK. So basically, you will actually have this IntelliJ Windows system. I'll set in the same backup location. So it take a while again. So let's wait. Now it is downloaded. Let's also show it in directory. So now let's double click it. The installer for IntelliJ Studio is brought up. Click next. So here you have the IntelliJ Studio and include all IntelliJ virtual devices. Click next. And then you will be installed to program file IntelliJ Studio. Click next. And you would like to generate a shortcut, I will say yes. Click install. The installation is completed, so I click next. And then you will start the IntelliJ Studio. I click finished. So you say, will import the studio setting because I never run it. So I will say, do not import setting. So right here, I have this setup wizard with the welcome page. So I click next. And you ask me for what type of setup I would have. I'll just say standard. And then it asks for the skin. Because I already has my PyCharm over here in the dark color. So here to differentiate it, I actually will install the standard IntelliJ skin. And then verify for the setting. It comes with the IntelliJ SDK and different platforms and IntelliJ 28. So I click finish. Now the downloading of the component are done. Click finish. So it will bring you up to this welcome page. Start IntelliJ Studio project or open an existing IntelliJ project or import some projects. Thank you. Bye now.